guys, this is Bree with LivBay Lash. I've been with the company for over a year now. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. In this video, we are going to be doing a volume full set using all colored lashes to honor Pride Month. So for this video, I'm going to be using our Curvy Babe isolators as well as our blue magic mics. I'm also going to be using our LivBay Lash clear glue. I'm going to be also using our 0.07 decurl colored lashes, and I have an assortment of all of our different colors that we sell. All of our colored lashes here at LivBay are 0.07, so I'm going to be doing a volume set rather than a mega, just to make sure that I'm maintaining the client's natural lash health. So because I'm using a 0.07 diameter lash, I'm going to be using volume fans only, which are about 5 to 7 hairs of the extension, versus a mega fan, which might hold anywhere from 10 or more fans. And because it is a 0.07, I want to make sure I'm not making the fan too big to cause any damage to the client's natural lash. We're going to jump straight into the video with a time lapse of our full set, but I'll be sure to give plenty of tips along the way. So I'm starting off the set by using our volume 0.07 red lashes in 10 millimeters. So while I'm doing this full set, I am actually just going to put a few fans of all the different colors throughout her eyes, just so I can get a base of the colors and so I can make sure both eyes are even. So for this rainbow set, I'm going to be mapping her with an open eye look, meaning that it's going to be short on the inner corners with my 10s, and then gradually to the arch of her brow, I'm going to make them a little bit longer. In this set, I'm doing 13s and 14s, and then down to her ends, I'm going to go back to 13s and 12s. As you can see, I am still jumping back and forth between the client's eyes. This is just so that I can make sure both of her eyes are even, as well as to avoid any stickies. Colored lashes are a great thing to have with you, especially for clients that are celebrating birthdays, festivals, or even if they just want to add a pop of color to their lash sets. Our LivBay colored lashes do come in a 0.07 diameter, but they are just like any other type of lash you might use, so don't feel intimidated to incorporate them into your lash sets. While you're following along with this set, we do also have another YouTube video that shows you how to pinch so you can achieve perfect fans just like these. Now that I kind of have a base of all of the colors and the mapping, I'm just going to go through and finish all of the rest of the lashes to fill in the gaps. With this set, if she wanted to, in 2 weeks, we can always transition back to adding black normal lashes into her set, or if she wants, she can continue to do rainbow lashes. Throughout the set as well, I do like to use our little LivBay dental mirror, and I like to just check and make sure that all of the lashes look even on both eyes and that I'm not having any gaps that I've missed. Now that I've finished the set, I'm just gonna go in with our LivBay Climax Bond, and I'm just gonna gently dab the bases of all of my fans. This is just gonna help lock in any fumes and maximize her retention. So for this set, I used about 15 to 20 of each different color throughout the set, and I matched it on both eyes just to make sure that the client is even on both sides of her eyes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it brought a ton of value to you guys. Question for you, how do you guys like to incorporate colored lashes into your fills and full sets? Be sure to leave it in the comment below, and we can't wait to see you guys in our next video.